Myford 2-7 lathe. Lot number 167, standing bit of kit just there now, 2-3 phase. Fantastic lathe which is just there now. What should we say for this then? We'll start bidding here £1,000 for the lathe. £1,000 for the Myford 2-7 lathe. We'll see £1,000. £1,000. I do have a commission bid just here. And I'm going to open the bidding here £600. £600 is what I'm opening the bidding at on the lathe. £600. We'll see 620, 650 just here, 650, 650, £700, £700 at the back, £700. We'll see 750 now on the lathe. 750, 750 just there, 750, £800, £800, 850, 850, £900, shake your head, £900, got an 850 just here, 850 is being bid on the lathe, we'll see £900, £900 anywhere, £900 selling them for £850, also.